Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best automotive paint is probably one of the most critical decisions for any car enthusiast or professional restorer aiming for that flawless, showroom-quality finish without breaking the bank, as achieving a durable, vibrant, and long-lasting coat requires a product that not only applies smoothly but also withstands the elements and time, making the right choice paramount for transforming your vehicle's appearance and protecting its value. Number 5. Custom Shop Black Epoxy Primer Sealer KEP Series. This high-performance primer is specifically designed for direct-to-metal applications. It offers superior anti-corrosive properties, making it ideal for automotive and industrial use. Thanks to its advanced resin technology, it provides superior adhesion to a wide range of surfaces. This includes bare metal, aluminum, fiberglass, and even properly prepared plastics. It is lead and chromate-free, formulated with a rich blend of anti-corrosive additives. This ensures maximum defense against rust and corrosion, even offering excellent salt spray resistance. While excellent as a DTM primer, it also functions as a superb sealer for various topcoats. When used as a sealer, you can apply your final coat in just 30 minutes, ensuring excellent gloss holdout. It features an easy 1:1 mixing ratio for precise application, with no induction time needed. Once mixed, you'll have a generous 4-hour pot life to complete your work. Available in multiple colors and kit sizes, it's compatible with most automotive paint brands. This makes it a versatile choice for both automotive and industrial projects. What we like. This primer offers exceptional anti-corrosive properties and direct-to-metal application. Its advanced resin technology ensures superior adhesion to various surfaces, providing a robust foundation. If you are looking for maximum rust prevention and a versatile primer that works on multiple materials, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to generate the requested output. Number 4. Restoration Shop Jet Black Acrylic Enamel Auto Paint Kit. Introducing our complete gallon paint kit. It provides over 1 gallon of sprayable material, ensuring you have enough for your project. This system features an 8:1 mix ratio and is 2.8 VOC as packaged. No reducer is required, making it incredibly convenient. Your kit includes 1 gallon of AE acrylic enamel paint, a pint of AE 3001 wet look hardener, 5 nylon strainers, and 5 wood mixing sticks. Everything you need is right here. This professional, easy-to-use single-stage system delivers a high-gloss coating. It's perfect for overall automotive refinishing, and also suitable for fleet and industrial equipment. It's an easy-to-spray, fast-drying topcoat that provides a long-lasting, very high-gloss finish. This coating is durable, resisting chemicals, solvents, chipping, cracking, and UV fading. We use only the highest quality ingredients in our superior coating products. This ensures our customers achieve consistent, professional results on all their painting projects. What we like. This complete kit provides everything you need for a professional, high-gloss finish. Its single-stage system is easy to use and delivers a long-lasting, durable coating. If you need a comprehensive solution for overall automotive refinishing with excellent gloss and durability, this kit is perfect. What people say. Number 3. Restoration Shop Rally Red Acrylic Enamel Paint Kit. Introducing the Restoration Shop Rally Red Acrylic Enamel Paint Kit. This comprehensive kit provides over 1 gallon of sprayable material, ensuring you have enough for your project. It features an 8:1 mix ratio and is 2.8 VOC when used as packaged. No reducer is required, making it simple and efficient to use. This kit includes 1 gallon of AE acrylic enamel paint color and 1 pint of AE 3001 wet look acrylic hardener. You'll also find 5 190 micron nylon automotive strainers and 5 wood paint mixing sticks to get started. This is a professional, easy-to-use single-stage high-gloss paint coating system. It's designed for overall automotive refinishing, but also works great as a fleet and industrial equipment coating. It's an easy-to-spray, fast-drying topcoat system that delivers a long-lasting and very high-gloss finish. This coating is highly durable, resisting chemicals, solvents, chipping, cracking, and UV ray fading. Our superior coating products are made with only the highest quality ingredients. This ensures our customers achieve consistent, professional results on all their painting projects. What we like. This vibrant rally red paint offers a stunning, high-gloss finish for your project. It's an easy-to-spray, fast-drying system that resists chipping, cracking, and fading. If you are looking for a striking color with professional-grade durability and ease of application, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Number 2. Restoration Shop British Racing Green Acrylic Enamel Paint Kit. This complete gallon paint kit provides over 1 gallon of sprayable material. It's everything you need to get started on your next project. This system features an 8:1 mix ratio and is 2.8 VOC as packaged. No reducer is required, making it incredibly easy to use. Your kit includes 1 gallon of AE acrylic enamel paint, a pint of AE 3001 wet look acrylic hardener, 5 automotive strainers, and 5 wood paint mixing sticks. Everything is provided for a seamless application. This professional, easy-to-use, single-stage system delivers a high-gloss finish. It's designed for overall automotive refinishing but also works great for fleet and industrial equipment. It's an easy-to-spray, fast-drying topcoat that provides a long-lasting, very high-gloss result. This durable coating resists chipping, cracking, UV fading, and is chemical and solvent resistant. We use only the highest quality ingredients in our superior coating products. This ensures our customers achieve consistent, professional results on all their painting projects. What we like. Experience the timeless elegance of British Racing Green with this complete paint kit. It's designed for consistent, high-quality professional results, offering a very high gloss. If you appreciate classic colors and require a durable coating suitable for both automotive and industrial applications, this kit delivers. What people say. Number 1. Restoration Shop Jet Black Acrylic Enamel Auto Paint. Introducing our premium automotive paint, designed for professional results. This single-stage, high-gloss system delivers an exceptional finish for your vehicles and equipment. You receive 1 gallon of vibrant paint color. For an even harder, glossier, and more durable finish, we highly recommend using a hardener with it. While it can be sprayed as is, an 8:1 mix ratio with hardener is ideal. This product maintains a 2.8 VOC when packaged, requiring no reducer for application. This easy-to-use system is perfect for overall automotive refinishing. It also excels as a durable coating for fleet vehicles and industrial equipment. Expect a fast-drying topcoat that provides a long-lasting, very high-gloss result. It's incredibly durable, resisting chemicals, solvents, chipping, cracking, and UV fading. We use only the highest quality ingredients in our coating products. This commitment ensures you achieve consistent, professional-grade results on all your painting projects. What we like. This product offers the paint color only, allowing for flexible hardener selection. It's a cost-effective option if you already have hardener or prefer to purchase it separately. If you need to replenish your paint supply or prefer to customize your hardener choice for specific project needs, this standalone gallon is ideal. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.